Let's work with an angle greater than 2 pi radians. We want to find a positive angle, actually less than 2 pi radians, that is coterminal with 16 pi thirds, and that's the angle greater than 2 pi radians. And secondly, we want to find the reference angle for that particular angle. So let's start with part A here. We got 16 pi thirds, and because of the nature of radians, we're going to subtract off 2 pi initially and see if that gets us a value something less than 2 pi. But we need a common denominator, so we'll multiply top and bottom to get 6 pi thirds, and from this we end up with 10 pi thirds. Now, is this a value less than 2 pi? And the answer is no, so we have to keep going here. We're going to subtract off another 2 pi radians. Again, a common denominator of 3, top and bottom. So we get 10 pi thirds minus 6 pi thirds. That will then give us 4 pi thirds, and now we have our value. This angle is now less than 2 pi radians, and it's positive. Now for part B, we want to find the reference angle for this. The first thing we want to recognize is that 4 pi thirds is in quadrant 3. And because this is in quadrant 3, we're going to use the formula that theta prime, our reference angle, is equal to the angle we're looking at, 4 pi thirds, minus pi. And as before, we're going to need a common denominator of 3. So 4 pi thirds minus 3 pi thirds will give us a reference angle, theta prime, of pi thirds. And there we have our reference angle.